Hi all, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade today. So today I have a beautiful project. I will be making a tea box, an MDF tea box, and here you can see me using chalky paint Snow White to basically give one coat of this box, which I had already done gesso or gesso on, but because it was lying around for a few days it became a little dirty. So I thought, let me give it a new coat. Then I went on to decide what papers am I going to use? And this one caught my eye because yes, this was a man walking his dog and I love them. So today I decided to do a image transfer. And after tearing the papers from the side, I took Craft Angle's acrylic soft gel and I started doing it. And as I did so, oh my god, I was so surprised and shocked with the ease that this product works with. Let me tell you that this is one of the best image transfer products. So what did I do? Basically, I used it, I decoupaged the paper onto the MDF and then let it dry. And once after 4-5 hours it was dry, I sprayed some water on it and then started rubbing it and taking out all the excess layers of the paper. Can you see the crisp image? Yes, it was wonderful. Next, I took these two colors, yellow and brown, and basically I wanted to give a wooden effect inside. So I painted the entire inside of the tea box and also the inside of the lid of this tea box. And see, I've given it a nice wooden texture. Yeah, whatever was left, I did some dry brushing on top. And now I got a stencil. Using the soft gel again, I basically did some stencil work on the top of this box. Basically, I wanted to create a resist technique over here, which came out very well, and you will see that towards the end. Then I took decoupage glue, and basically now what I have to do is seal the image transfer that I have done so that nothing goes wrong in this. Always remember, in decoupage, you should always and always seal your image. Now for the sides, I decided that I'm going to use chalky paints, and this gray color was something which I really liked, so I did it on all the sides. And it was really amazing. The smooth texture was really good. Next, I took the steel color and with my hands, I basically smudged onto the area that I wanted to give a little dimension to. So you can see me doing it over the area where I had done the stencil work and the corners also. Can you see the resist technique that came over here? All thanks to the soft gel. Yes, that is what I wanted. And then I took the gray color again and blended some on the edges and wherever I wanted to give it a little vintage look. So by doing this, I kind of achieved a very beautiful grungy look. Now, I like the teal color so much that I decided to paint the entire box wherever I had done the gray color. I painted all over it. And after that, I doodled some words on a piece of paper, man's best friend, decoupaged it with the decoupage glue from Craft Angles. And you can see it over here that I'm decoupaging it on the lid, and it actually came out very well. After this, I took the decoupage varnish from Craft Angles and I varnished the entire box from inside so that it could dry, and by the time it dries, I could have done something else. Can you see this yum texture on the outside? Yes, it was fantabulous. So here you can see me doing the varnish, and now I took a permanent marker and doodled some cross stitches on the corners, on the paper sides, just to kind of give a little feel as if I've stitched this paper on and not really done decoupage. Well, now I think that the cover is completely ready and I'm very satisfied with it. So next step is, of course, to seal it with varnish. Yes, each and every product that I do decoupage on, I varnish it with decoupage varnish because that completely seals the project. And voila! Can you see the shine there? Can you see the gloss there? It is a fantabulous product that came out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe and follow me and Craft Angles everywhere. Thank you so much.